Welcome to day 23's Build Habit session. So today what you want to do is you have to ask for feedbacks. You can request constructive criticism from your teachers or fluent speakers of English. So what you have to do, you can speak for a while and you can ask how is my English, how am I conversing, all those things you can ask, or even you can ask your trainer also, like what is my current stage or how I am talking and what is my how about my fluency, all those things you can ask your personal trainer and get a good feedback from that person. So do it so that you can evaluate yourself and you can make necessary improvements. So do that, don't miss it. Day 23's vocabulary activity is here, and here are some words for you. And the first one is for the sake of. That means in order to help or benefit someone or something. So, example sentences are: let's go to the park for the sake of the kids. Great idea, they will love it. Some people are discussing that. Let's go to the park for making the children entertained. And the other is replying that, yeah, that is a great idea. You can go, we can go, or we together can go with our kids. And the next sentence example, we should keep the noise down for the sake of the neighbors. Absolutely, we don't want to disturb anyone. Like people are discussing that we should not disturb the neighbors. We can what keep our noise down, or we can reduce the sound of our TV or a radio or something. So you can put it down or lower the sound for the sake of neighbors. For considering the neighbors' comfort, we can do that. That is the word. And the next usage is as a matter of fact. That means to emphasize or clarify something. As a matter of fact, I am doing this here. We'll tell right that like that. No. So example sentences are: as a matter of fact, I have already finished the report. That's impressive. Well done. One person is telling that for clarity or making something clear. I have already submitted the report, and the other is replying that, yeah, that is impressing action or impressive act. Very good. And the next example sentence is: as a matter of fact, I was just about to call you. Great timing. One person is telling the other that I was about to call you now for making something clarified, and that time itself you called me. So it's a great timing. That is the usage. And the next word is I don't mind. That means never mind, right? Indicating indifference or willingness to accept something. No, I don't mind. Let's move on. Like that, we'll tell. No, that is it. Example sentences are: would you prefer tea or coffee? I don't mind. Whatever you feel like. Two people are in a cafe and they are discussing that. What do you want? You mind? Do you mind having tea or a coffee? And the person is replying, no problem. You can give me or order something what you like. I don't mind, or I don't have anything in particular, any no suggestions in particular. Next example sentence: do you want to go out for the dinner or stay in? I don't mind, either way is fine. Like two people are discussing that about their dinner. They are asking each other that what we wanted to do we want to go out or take the food to our house, and the other person is replying, no problem, both ways are okay, both methods are okay for you. I am adjustable with anyone and anything, both are fine, I don't mind, not a problem for me. Now, the next usage is come to think of it. That means realizing or remembering something while talking. That is, while talking, we will be getting reminded of something. No, that is like forgotten or something like that. So that these are the things. Let me tell the examples. I think we are out of milk. Come to think of it, I need to grab some eggs too. One person is telling that I think we are not having enough milk. So the person is replying now, yeah, it's better that is you came to think of it. No, so it's good, and I want eggs also. So I'm going out so that I'll buy both. And the next one, I'll be home late tonight. Come to think of it, I'll leave dinner in the fridge for you. Like one person is telling that I'll be coming late to home. I'll be coming late at home or the to home, and the other person is replying, yeah, that is great to remind me or come to know this into my knowledge. So I'll keep the dinner in the fridge for you. Now the next word is by the way. We usually use this word, no, by the way, MBC, by the way, are you doing good? Like that we use, no? That is it. A phrase used to introduce additional information or a new topic. By the way, like we are adding to some things, we'll tell, no, by the way, I want to tell you something. That is it. Example sentences are: I'm going to the store later. By the way, do you need anything? One person is asking his friend or his wife or his relative that, by the way, I'm going to the, no, I'm going to the shop. By the way, do you want anything more than the listed things? That is the thing. And the next example sentence is, I think we should leave early tomorrow. By the way, don't forget to bring your jacket. One girl is telling that, or one boy is telling that, by the way, or don't forget the jacket as we want to leave the home early. Tomorrow we are leaving early. One person is telling and the other person is replying, by the way, don't forget while you leave early, don't forget to take the jacket. It is very important to have a jacket. That is it. And the next word is no worries. That is used to reassure someone that there is no need to apologize or be concerned. No worries, no problem, nothing, no man, it's not a matter. Example sentences are, sorry for the delay in responding. No worries, take your time. One person is telling, I'm really sorry for the delay in responding to you. I was very busy. And the other is replying, no problem. It's not at all a problem. You can take your time. And the next one is, I forgot to call you earlier. No worries, it's totally fine. One person is telling the other person, he might be his friend or family or something, someone like that. Like, I really forgot to call you and really sorry for that. The other is replying, no problem, you can call me whenever you are free. That is the usage, no worries.